Hello everyone, here's Bandit, trying out the new digging area, and he's loving it. What is it? Get it! What's in there? Get it, Chico! What is it? I've been finding holes all over my yard, so we tried a couple of things. We buried the holes. Oh, look at that! Even Q's gonna get in there. What is it, Q? Get it! Yeah, dig all you want right here. Get it. What's in there? Get it, Chico. Get it. Use that little doggy nose of yours. Use that dachshund part of you. Get it. What's in there? What's in there? Get it. Go get it. Get it. So we buried the holes that they had dug in the yard with dog poo. Hopefully that will work. We'll see. And give them a designating digging area where they can get all their digging out. Oh, look at that. Oh, Bandit likes that. Lay down in the dirt. And Chico dig under Bandit. Get it, Chico. What is it? Get it. Bandit. What is it? So, anyway, we'll give that a try. What do you think? Happy dog? Happy owner? Clean yard? Let's keep it.